Yo, what up everybody? Good morning. It's a nice, beautiful Sunday morning. Getting ready to go fly with Matt Bell, FPV. He's traveling down to my house, so I'm out here making sure I got some stuff ready. We're going ahead and charging up the last two 6S packs. Making some coffee. Getting some shit ready. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully it's gonna be a nice day. We're gonna find out. Still early, but supposed to get sunny today. Should be nice. Yeah. On baby duty. We got JT chilling. Say what's up, man. What's up? Yeah. And then we ready, man. We just waiting on Matt. Got the bag all packed up. That's old Kinetics aerial vector. Ain't been flying yet since I went to 6S. That's old 4S quad. 4S alien. And that's a lovely old 6S beast, boy. So we'll catch y'all out there. Hopefully it's a good day of flying. Deuces. Yo, what up? J-Bo FPV here, along with Matt Bell FPV.
What it do?
We out here at Jasper County High School. See what we can do. We got some beautiful pines back here. Maybe we can hit some clean ass Matties. Got the staircase over there. See what we can do with that. Some old excavators. So we're gonna see what you can do for Willowbug.
Dope spot.
We're gonna see what we can do for y'all, and stay tuned.
I'm the fuck alone, with these bitches on my phone, They just got I'm in my zone, Every time they show me love, so love, ooh. Lay, bitch you wanna see me every day. I don't give a fuck about what you say. Cause I'm in the booth doing my thing with a JJ. Wanna see me walk, bitch, like a fucking dog, bitch. I don't give a fuck about your thoughts. On me fucking rock, cause I don't know how to stop it. If I'm that top, I step on the fuck alone, with these bitches on my phone, They just got I'm in my zone, Every time they show me love, so love, ooh. I'm the fuck alone, with these bitches on my phone, They just got I'm in my zone, Every time they show me love, so love, ooh. Lay, I don't wanna play, but I do my thing, cause they gotta pay me. But what about the host though? I don't give a fuck about the host though. They just wanna see the money so. But I'm in my zone, I got no time now. Shorty, we just had it before. Why you wanna fight for more? Cause you fucking look like so poor, but I know you lie, you're so low. I'll be in my zone on my own. Don't you try to hit me on my phone. They just wanna know when I'm home, but I'm in my zone all alone, yeah. That bitch on my side, I just fucked her all the night. She wanna leave, but I don't mind. I'll be in my zone for all Scott, I'm in my zone, my zone. Every time they show me love, so love, ooh. I'm in my zone.